Arrive in style with this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, not equipped with heated ventilated front seats and off-road suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.